Hey guys, so what if you perform your due diligence and it means total financial independence for you and your family for the rest of your life? And I ask this because WG is absolutely killing it financially. There are months where we reach approximately 1,000 pips in 4 weeks. Guys, this is insanity. We're profiting week after week. And understand, this means in 4 weeks at a rate of 4%, that's an approximate 25% total account return. And guys, as you know, past performance is not indicative of future results. But as these returns remain consistent, this is just normal business for us. This is what passive aggressive earnings look like. And in just a few years, by putting just a few $100s away a month, is millions of dollars in terms of your financial well-being. You'll have an asset base that you can now pull and draw income from for the rest of your life. And remember, financial independence is nothing more than a mathematical equation. That's it. We're not trying to assume future returns. We're just trying to show you how you can develop a long-term financial plan. So, what is this holy grail of income solutions? Personally, I've always wanted and always dreamed of a program or a company that I can truly believe that everyone that uses our services and or promotes this opportunity will make money. Number one, we offer a full service application known as the Simplifier. It's a patented automated technology that executes live professional trades. It's unlike really any other trading program, robot, signal service, or anything you'll find out there. This is an amazing piece of software that works on autopilot to give you huge trading profits 5 days a week. The Simplifier application takes live instant trades from our market experts and places those executions into your personal account that you simply turn on and decide how aggressive you want it to be, and then you just forget about it. You absolutely do nothing. No learning, no training, no closing trades, no studying charts, nothing except that you get to make money hands-free. To me, that's true passive residual income. And again, we know past performance is not indicative of future results, but typically the Simplifier can average between 18 and 22% per month. You simply manage your account and live professional experts do the rest. So if you're a person that wants to see your money work for you and not the other way around, this is for you. Basically, if it makes sense, guys, it makes dollars. And of course, we have the proof. In fact, we're so confident in our services, we offer a triple money back guarantee. Now, secondly, we have the holy grail of grails. This is an absolute moneymaker. In the world of foreign exchange, there's something known as a liquidity provider. And this liquidity provider basically acts as both the buyer and seller of an asset to facilitate and exchange transactions. And even though they may not profit on the majority of the trade transactions they facilitate, they absolutely are able to profit for themselves on the basis of this valuable information they process. And they use this valuable order information to their personal advantage to correctly, with very high probability, turn significant profits. So envision there being a software logic that works much different than what's seen on the streets. A concept, an exclusive application that has never been marketed or even offered to the public before. A wholesale application that's dominating currency exchange because unlike most systems and methodologies, it's not based on projection, prediction, the direction of the market, or even analyzing charts. We're talking about an intuitive set of operations that's able to react and execute so quickly that it actually becomes a liquidity bridge provider that's looking to provide supply and demand, known as volume, in the pricing of the asset that it's serving. So when the security moves in value, the algorithm, the program, it moves with the volume. And on the basis of this valuable order information, it uses this insider data to correctly position itself in the security that it serves to ultimately turn major profits. And understand, the application is not initially seeking to make profit on the direction of the security. It's looking to make profit based on the types of trades that are being placed in that security. So clearly, the program is not based on whether it thinks price will go up or down. That's how retail buyers think. Retail buyers look at technical analysis, fundamental analysis, charts, patterns, etc., whereas the smart money, the providers, become, in essence, wholesale market makers that are able to react based upon the orders that are being placed. So the FxMLA's set of operations, known as an algorithm, aggregate and offer orders in the retail market based upon liquidity insight, and then in turn purchase small, low-risk securities that consistently make hundreds of trades a day. It's literally the best thing I've ever seen. And we all know past results don't guarantee future results, but the developer of this application opened an MLA account back on February 1st, 2015 with $180,000. And 15 months later, in April of 2016, he grew his account to over $320,000. That's a gross profit of 178%. That's an ROI average of 9% per month. And it takes hundreds of winning trades per day. And unlike the Simplifier, this service is not manageable. It's completely 100% hands-free. You deposit money, and that's it. You watch your money grow. This fully automated set it and forget it application, as you can see on our stats page, closes at a profit every day. Basically, in layman's terms, it's a wholesale market-making identifier that's based upon the supply and demand of placed volume. In other words, it's like a middleman, a wholesale buyer that brokers and facilitates currency contracts to consumers and then takes its position based upon the data it processes. This algorithm is taking the concept of being a market maker and using that precept to identify consistent, low-risk, high-yield returns. Guys, it's the market's thirst for more volume that dictates when this algorithm is going to buy at wholesale and sell at retail. Basically, when you know the supply and demand, you know the order sizes, and you know all the spreads and quotes, market price can be predicted with a very high probability. And because the MLA acts as a bridge liquidity provider, it knows firsthand the number of contracts, the size of the contracts, the volume of the spreads, and the divergence and convergence in those numbers. And this is why it consistently, with high accuracy, identifies on a daily basis hundreds of opportunities for profit. And this concept has never been applied to program trading in this capacity until now. But bottom line, documentation beats conversation. So before you go to the next step and watch our in-depth overview of the opportunity, be sure to review some of the sample results. This is the one opportunity you do not want to ignore. And for those of you not familiar with the Forex, keep watching, and we'll see you on the next step.
What is the Forex market? The term Forex is short for foreign exchange market. The Forex market is the place where different currencies are continually exchanged by millions of people all over the world. Tourists that travel from one country to another must exchange their currency to pay for local products or services. A stack of US dollars would be totally useless to an American tourist hoping to see the sights in London. They would have to exchange their dollars for the local currency, the British pound, at the existing exchange rate that day. Unlike the New York Stock Exchange or other stock markets, there's no central marketplace for foreign exchange. Instead, currency trading is conducted electronically over the counter, which means that all transactions occur via computer networks between traders around the world, rather than on one centralized exchange. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. The need to exchange currencies is what has made the Forex market the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. It outperforms all other markets, trading an incredible $5.4 trillion a day. So how can you take advantage of the Forex market? It has been said that it takes 10,000 hours to become an expert at your craft. Successful Forex traders spend years studying and learning the markets. What if you could leverage the power of the Forex market without having to spend thousands of hours learning the ins and outs of Forex trading? With the FxSimplifier, you can leverage the knowledge and expertise of seasoned market experts without ever having to become an expert. The FxSimplifier is innovative and disruptive technology that allows the power of the Forex market to be harnessed in a simple and efficient way. FxSimplifier market experts identify trade opportunities whenever the market is open. And remember, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. You might be sound asleep when a hot trade alert goes out during the London session, or in the shower when a quick swing trade presents itself during the New York session. The FxSimplifier gives you the ability to benefit from trade alerts without ever logging into your brokerage account or electronic trading platform. Even better, the FxSimplifier still allows you to manage your risk, and you control your money through algorithmic technology. The FxSimplifier can also be turned on or off at any time, and you can always modify or exit a trade if you choose to. As a part of the Wealth Generators Algo Pack, you gain access to the FxSimplifier. The FxSimplifier allows you to leverage the power of tried and tested market experts and participate in a $5.4 trillion a day market. If you want to see what the FxSimplifier could have produced for you, visit to see the results.